Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create QR codes on Canva. It's pretty easy. So first of all, I'm just going to open up some presentation and let's choose maybe a template or so. And let's customize it. Now I have a business card here where I will use a link from to our QR code. So I'm just going to leave this presentation here as an example, and for example somewhere in the middle or at the end you want to put down the QR code. So for example scan to open it, maybe let's leave it like so. And now on the apps right there, you want to click on apps. You want to search for QR. And as you can see, there's a lot of QR code makers, but maybe let's choose a simple QR code, which will generate for printing and sharing. So I'm just going to open it. And now you need to enter the URL. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use this business card, and I'm just going to have a public view link. Create a public view link, and I'm just gonna copy it. And now I'm gonna put it here on the QR code, and I'm just gonna generate it. And as you can see, you can also customize it, of course, change the color of it, however you want it to be. So we can do it like so, and leave it like that. Basically, you can change the foreground and the background colors. And that's how you create QR codes. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.